Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria and today I will be doing an M1 MacBook Air unboxing video. Stay tuned. We're gonna get right into it. Here's the box that it comes in. This is the label, the shipping label. Obviously I covered it because I don't want to show my address. And I have, of course, my pink pocket knife. I'm gonna crack this bad boy open. Gonna cut this bottom portion off right here. Oh wow, that was nice. Oh wow, oh my god, this is surreal. I'm so excited. Okay. And here it is, just in the box like this. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, no way. Everybody's favorite part of these unboxing videos. Literally in love. And now we open it. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? Are you seeing what I am seeing? This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, okay. So we're gonna get right into this tab. Oh my gosh. I am in love with it. Here's the box. Right here is the USB-C cable. Of course, I believe it is 2 meters long. This is the manual and the stickers that come inside. Get those out. This is stickers, very pretty. They're also gold to match the laptop, although these also look rose gold. And yes, designed by Apple in California. And here is the adapter. Oh my gosh, my nails. Also, guys, don't mind my nails. I'm in the process of doing it. Like, I laid down my acrylic, but I did not put the gel polish on yet. So we're gonna get there. And here is the adapter. This adapter kind of gives me like an iPad adapter vibes. Like, I have my iPad mini right here, and like the adapter size is very close to this, which is a little interesting to me because I thought it would be a lot bigger. Let me see if I can actually go grab it. So this is the size of an adapter, old adapter, that fits for my iPad over there, my iPad mini. They're pretty close in size. I wasn't really expecting that, but like I said, this is my first MacBook. And we're going to open her up now. I'm definitely gonna give her a name. I'm not sure what yet, but she's 100% going to get a name. So that will be figured out at a later point. I also do have accessories to get into, and we'll definitely hit those later. But right now, my main focus is getting this beauty open. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pull this tab. Oh, it's so satisfying. Look at this beauty. Okay, we're gonna open her up. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. You guys seeing this? I'm 100% in love already. So I'm sure you guys are aware of the setup process that comes after this, and that's gonna take long, so I'm probably just going to skip through that. So I'm not gonna go over all this with you guys. Just want to show you everything. My battery is pretty much almost full. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Everything looks good. I'm gonna run some tests to make sure everything's good, make sure there's nothing wrong with the laptop. And after I set up my laptop, I'm gonna get right into the accessories. Here we go. I have my laptop case. I ordered this from Amazon. It is just a cute little pink matte case. Take off the top film. And turn the new MacBook around. Let's see if we could just snap her right on. I hope so. Is it on? Oh, okay. I think it's on now. I think it's not. Okay. Okay, I believe all 4 corners are on. It's nice and tight. It looks amazing. Like, wow. This looks perfect. It's great. Close my laptop real quick. I'll show you guys this again so you can see. Flip it over and side switch. Okay. Snap that on. Are we all the way snapped on? Yes, we are, and she's giving. She's giving. So now we open her again. The screen is really dirty because all these fingerprints. It's kind of hard to not touch the screen. I'm not sure how I get rid of these fingerprints, but I'm gonna figure that out at a later point. So next here, I did get a pink laptop bag. It's a very light pink. I think it's gonna look perfect with the rose gold color. And yes, this is how that looks. It has a compartment right here in the front. It has a compartment right here at the side, both with zippers. It has this compartment in the back with no zippers, no Velcro. And then we have the main compartment, which is very well cushioned and protective in there. So that's the laptop bag. I have a screen protector that I will be putting on later. And then I have some keyboard covers that came with the lovely case. It doesn't match the case as much as I would like it to, but maybe it'll look better when it's put against the black background of the keyboard. And it did come with 2. So that was very nice of them. Giving 2. This case came with the case, the screen protector, and the keyboard covers for only $10 I spent on this. Amazon, it's truly amazing. That right on here. In love with it. So it's a new day, I'm back, my nails are done. I had to wait for the rest of my accessories to get here. The first thing I am going to open up, well, reopen up because I already opened it, is this laptop stand. I don't really use laptop stands and I just wanted to try it out to see if I wanted to invest in a more expensive one, but it is pink and gray and it is very portable. As you can see, it closes up really small. So you just open it like this. I'm gonna put it on about the 3rd setting, see how that works for me. This is what it looks like, y'all. Just like that. I also can use this for my my iPad. I can show you guys that in a second. I guess this elevates it a good amount, not too much. But yes, this is how it's looking. It's very nice. It's pink, all pink here. Okay. I love that. Next we have these little dust protectors. They're in this dark pink color and I did that specifically to match my case, obviously. And as you can see here, I already have them in. One is in the headphone jack on this side and one is in the USB-C port. I got these from Shein. Here is a trackpad protector. This also I ordered from Shein, guys. Perfect size for my MacBook if it's great. So I'm going to wipe this down. I also got, if you guys wanted to know, this is like a microfiber cloth and like a electronic cleaning solution that I got from Dollar Tree. And yeah, so I saw on Apple that you literally can just use a microfiber cloth and put a little bit of water on it and wipe the screen, because I've noticed in my about a week of having this laptop, the fingerprints, oh my gosh, I'm not sure if you can see anything. I'm scared, honestly terrified. I'm really good at putting on like phone screen protectors, but I've definitely never done a MacBook or laptop screen protector at all before. Oh, that was not hard at all. Okay. And then you peel off this second step right here. And then, not even noticeable. I love that. So here is my adapter. I got this from Amazon. This is what it looks like. Comes with, I guess, instructions right here. So it's a USB Type-C hub port. It's pink, of course. Goes great with the theme we got going on here. Yeah, it comes with the 2 USB ports here, a USB-C port, an SD card, a micro SD card, as well as an HDMI port, so that's great. I can show you guys how it looks plugged into my laptop right here, and it just dangles off like that. And here she is. I need a name for her, so let me know if you guys can think of anything cute. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.